Welcome to the channel Quick Quiz Masters. Be quick to master. Quickly subscribe the channel.
The surface considered for Gauss law is called closed surface, spherical surface, Gaussian surface, plane surface. The force per unit charge is known as electric flux, electric field, electric potential, electric current. Electric field lines provide information about field strength, direction, nature of charge, all of these. The SI unit of electric flux is the unit of electric dipole moment is Newton, Coulomb, Farad, dBi. SI unit of permittivity of free space is Farad, Weber, c square n raised to power 1, m raised to power minus 2, none of these. Which one of the following is the unit of electric field? Coulomb, Newton, volt, Newton upon Coulomb. If an electric dipole is kept in a uniform electric field, then the resultant electric force on it is always zero, never zero, depend upon capacity of dipole, none. The number of electrons taken out from the body to produce 1 coulomb charge will be 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18, 625 into 10 raised to power 18, 6.03 into 10 raised to power 23, none. The work done in rotating an electric dipole in an electric field, W is equal to me tan theta, W is equal to me 1 minus cos theta, W is equal to me secant theta, none. If sphere of bad conductor is given charge, then it is distributed on surface, inside the surface, only inside the surface, none. Electric field in a cavity of metal depends upon the surroundings, depends upon the size of cavity, is always zero, is not necessarily zero. The dielectric constant of a metal is 0, 1, infinity, minus 1. Each of the 2-point charges are doubled and their distance is halved. Force of interaction becomes P times, where P is 1, 4, 116, 16. When placed in a uniform field, a dipole experiences a net force, a torque, both net force and a torque, neither a net force nor a torque. A parrot comes and sits on a bare high power line. It will experience a mild shock, experience a strong shock, get killed instantaneously, not be affected practically. The SI unit of electric dipole moment are Coulomb, Coulomb per meter, coulometer, Newton per meter. A soap bubble is given a negative charge, then its radius increases, decreases, remains unchanged, may increase or decrease. In non-uniform electric field, electric dipole experiences torque only, torque as well as net force, force only, none of these. The graph drawn between V and R for a non-conducting charged solid sphere of radius R for smaller or less than capital R will be straight line, parabola, hyperbola, none of these. Corona discharge takes place dash of a conductor at the surface near the sharp points outside at the center. The belt of a Van de Graaff generator gets charged by corona discharge, induction, electrification, none of these. Quantization of charge implies charge does not exist. Charge exists on particles. There is a minimum permissible magnitude of charge. Charge can't be created. The unit of intensity of electric field is meter upon volt, joule upon Newton, coulomb upon Newton, Newton upon coulomb. The ratio of electric force between two electrons to the gravitational force between them is of the order 10 power 42, 10 power 39, 10 power 36, 1. Charge is transferable, associated with mass, conserved, all of these. Charge is the property associated with the matter due to which it produces and experiences electric effects only, magnetic effects only, both electric and magnetic effects, none of these. Which of the following is the best insulator? Carbon, paper, graphite, ebonite. If a body is negatively charged, then it has excess of electrons, excess of protons, deficiency of electrons, deficiency of neutrons. When a body is charged by induction, then the body becomes neutral, does not lose any charge, loses whole of the charge on it, loses part of charge on it. On charging by conduction, mass of a body may increase, decrease, increase or decrease, none of these. The law governing the force between electric charges is known as Ampere's law, Ohm's law, Faraday's law, Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is true for atomic distances, nuclear distances, charged as well as uncharged particles, all the distances. What happens when some charge is placed on a soap bubble? Its radius decreases, its radius increases, the bubble collapses, none of these. Do comment your score, share this video to your class and school fellows, share and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for next videos. Thanks for watching.